What's up, everybody? 204 Sports Cards here again, coming at you with another playoff box. This is box 2 of 2, so yeah, let's get right into it. More effective than the last video, I'll tell you that right now. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7. All right, let's get into it. Still looking for something good. Justin Herbert, Randall Cobb, Jerry Jeudy, Romeo Owakawa. I don't know if I said his name correct. I'm sorry if I didn't. DJ Moore, Fletcher Cox, Marquez Stevenson. Ooh, green. Ramondre Stevenson. Man, I'd be nice if I could get another, like, if I could grab an auto or, dope patch. I think we may have something here. No, I highly doubt it now. But we'll see. T. Higgins, Darren Waller, Menkai Fitzpatrick, Devin White, Jared Goff, Jimmy Garoppolo. Ooh, do got something good. Eric Stokes. Move that. Let's just see what it is. This autograph is guaranteed. Oh, Trevon Moehrig. Ooh, that's nice. There's my auto right there. For all you Raiders fans out there. So I got a patch and an auto. Bruce Smith, LaVisca, into my Jags collection. Ewan Williams, Justin Jefferson. Oh, we got a nice little insert coming up. Michael Gallup, Luke, I don't even want to say his last name, Najee Harris, and called arms Baker Mayfield. This guy ain't nothing but a crybaby though. But we'll take him. We will take him. Oh, everybody. Something good for me here. Another one. Odell Beckham Jr., Keenan Allen, David Johnson, J.J. Watt, good old retro Barry Sanders, Fred Warner. I'm not even going to attempt to say that guy's name. But are you guys ready for this? Look at this. Touch of Thunder. Travis Etienne Jr. and Trevor Lawrence. Ooh, that's nice. I still like my auto though. Where is that? Put that one up too. Show them all off here. Xavier Howard. Joe Mixon. Nice. Josh Jacobs. Brian Dawkins. Warren Sapp. This guy was a beast back in the day. Terrell Williams. Josh Palmer. And who is this? This is a Texan rookie. Rookie wave. Nico Collins. Whew. 2 more packs, guys. 2 more packs. And gals, I'm sure. Eric Ebron. Tua, whose last name I still can't say. James Robinson, another Jags one for myself. Brandon Ayuk. Delvin Cook. DeMarcus Lawrence. Trey McKitty. A nice old Derrick Henry. All right, those are 2 nice cards right there. Especially that Jags one for myself. Cal Preen. Sorry if I said your name wrong. Oh, look at that beautiful classic John Elway. That's nice. Baker Mayfield. Oh, look at that, Jameis Winston. Logan Thomas. Chase Edmonds. Jacob Harris. Chase Young kickoff. So, 2 inserts. Nico Collins, Baker Mayfield, called arms. But the Thunder and Lightning Jags card, that is beautiful. I'm so happy to be able to put that in my collection. Then my auto. So, it's pretty nice. Oh, thanks for watching. 204 Sports Cards out.